Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zhipu AI's full stack ecosystem running on Chinese hardware. If you have heard about GLM4, GLM5 or GLM image and you want to understand how this stack actually works, this guide will keep things really simple. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's just understand what full stack AI actually means. So Zhipu AI built a system where a model, software, framework, and the hardware are designed to work together. In it, instead of running the AI on the generic chips, their models are optimized specifically for Huawei Accent processors using the MindSpore framework. Now, there are three main ways to use this ecosystem. The first one is open source deployment. So in it, you can download the models like GLM5 or GLM image and then you can run them locally. So this is useful for the developers or researchers who want full control. The deployment typically works with the supported interface engines like VLLM or SGLang. The option 2 is API and the cloud access. If you don't want to manage the hardware, you can use Zhipu's AI API services. Here you can simply send the prompts or tasks through one interface and then you can receive the responses. So this method is faster and more practical for most of the users. They also have the third option, which is application interface. So for everyday usage, Zhipu acts as AI assistant layer. Users interact through a clean interface without worrying about the model configuration or infrastructure. So the key advantage of this stack is its optimization because GLM models are tuned for the Huawei chips and MindSpore performance becomes more efficient, especially for the large scale interface and training. So in simple terms, the models like GLM4, GLM5, GLM images, we have frameworks like MindSpore, we have hardware like Huawei Accent chips. So here everything is designed to work together rather than separately. So if this video helped you understand Zhipu's AI full stack ecosystem, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.